2 cans of Coca-Cola in the picture, and you guys are like, Shark, you're making them light up. Ow. Nope, that's not at the Coke. I just want him to appear with his hand on it. They're like, Shark, it's daytime. It's all sunny. We're ghosts. Can't do it, Sharky. Hey, where are you? I hear the sound, but I don't see you.